Hi, I'm Aubrey Lodewijk and I'm playing Mandela 3 in Mandela Trilogy, and we're all looking forward to see you in Munich in June.
Yes, we will dream. I will set up my home of the women. I will set up beautiful women.
Hi, my name is Yamikani, and I am, the understudy to Mandela 2 and part of the chorus. And, basically when I mean part of the chorus, I'm doing everything. Singing, dancing, dancing. Basically, yeah, we're going to Munich, we're touring in Germany at the Deutsches Theater. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but I know, I'm really excited. This is my second professional show, so everything's happening very fast, just graduated and coming out of this, and yeah, doing this show. It's so cool. All these guys are amazing. They are fantastic opera singers. Yeah, so please, whoever's watching this, please come watch us. We're going from the 4th of June to the 15th. It's going to be a fantastic show, beautiful singing, beautiful dancing, just a beautiful night all around. So please come on by.